Videos like this are going viral every day and they are all made by AI. The smartest YouTube channels aren't just making podcasts, they're just turning long form videos into dozens of viral shots automatically. And it's not about full videos anymore, it's about the clips. So I built my own automation using n8n, no code, just drag and drop. While it finds the best moments, cuts them, adds captions, and even posts them all by itself. This exact video clipped by that system. And yeah, channels doing this are blowing up. So let's go ahead and start this from scratch. So there are two ways to trigger this. The first way is going to be the Google Sheets where you keep all the YouTube links. The second way is going to be the n8n's direct form, which we are going to use right now. And let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on the plus and write type form, and then click on n8n form and click on this event trigger, and then you can give this a title, the form as a title. Let's just say YT clipping, and then leave the description. I don't want to do that, so click on the add form element, which is going to be YouTube URL, the first thing that we need. Then check this required field and then click on the add form element again. This time we're gonna need number of shots. Okay, and this is going to be the number, type number, and then this is going to be also the required field, and then click on the execute step. As you can see here, this is going to give us this form, and it's asking for the YouTube URL. You can post any YouTube URL that you want, and then click on the number of the shots. I'm going to keep it 1 for the sake of the video. Click on the submit. Once you submit, as you can see here on the right side output field, you can see we have got the details. Now the second step is going to be directly for the analyzing the video from the API that we're going to use, the Klap. So I'm going to give you this document link in the description which contains everything. Don't need to do anything else. So click on this Klap AI API, click on it. It will open up this Klap website. You have to log into the website. Once you log in, and then click on the API. So to use the Klap API, we need to add the card first, and because it is not free, so but it is a pay-as-you-go service, so it will not, you will not be charged anything, not even a single cent. So once you add the card, once you make a payment of $0, and then it will be back to this page with the key. Okay, so keep it as it is. Coming back to the workflow, here add the HTTP request, the first node here, and then in here go back to the document here, copy this first analyze long video code, and add this in the curl and click on import. Everything will be as it is, nothing need to be changed, only the key that you have to copy and paste it here. So I'm going to copy this key and paste it in here, and then here at the bottom it says send body, keep it as an expressions, just make it like maximized. So in here we have to add the URL. Okay, delete this, just drag and drop this YT URL, and the number of target clip count is also the number of shots node in here, and also the maximum clip count is also the same here. Okay, now, and in here the caption is true and nothing need to be changed in here. Okay, and the video will be like 15 seconds minimum, and the maximum will be 60 seconds, but the target duration will be like 30 seconds. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. So as you can see here, the status says processing, right? And the ID is also in here. So the video is still processing in the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the wait node here, because it's gonna take some time to process the video. It depends on the video, how long the video is. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna be keeping this as 1 second. Let's go and do that. And it is still saying processing, and then you have to click on the plus and then add the HTTP request node again, copy this check analyzing get request command and import the curl, click on it and just paste the command, import it, and as you can see it's done. So now here you have to click on the API key again and just copy and paste it, the same key again that you have. Alright, so then here we have to change the task ID, keep it as an expression, and then the task ID is going to be this, and let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, so it is going to give us the task ID which is not connecting. something is wrong in here, and as you can see, the status is still saying the processing, so it might take some time. So let's add the if node here. So this is going to be the status. If the status is equal to ready, then let's go and execute the step first. So the status is saying ready, that means the video is already analyzed. If the status says false, that means if it's still processing, we will connect this node to this wait node. Then that means this is going to do one thing, this is going to go back to this node, wait for some time, and then send another request for the check, and then once it's ready, it is going to give us in the true statement here. Then now, since we have the video ready, now let's go back to this page. Now we need to get the shots, right? Copy this code in here, then click on plus, add the HTTP request, and in here copy this get shots command, and then click on import curl, delete this, paste this, and then here output ID needs to be changed, but first keep it on expression, then drag and drop this output ID here, and then we need to change the API key here because we need to copy it from here, paste it, and then execute the step. So once you do that, it is going to give you the items. So we have 2 items, and it is a white reality score is 85%, and this is the explanation, and these are the titles with the transcript as well. Okay, that is done. That means 2 shots have been generated. Okay, and then here the next node is going to be create shots, which is going to be the same HTTP request. Okay, then copy and paste it in here, the same create shots code, import the curl, paste it, import, and this time we need to add, first keep it on expression, first we need output ID, let's make it big. First we need to delete the output ID, which is going to be from the previous node. Let me just do that. Okay, and then we need a shot ID, which is going to be from the first here, that is this one. All right, perfect. And then we have to add the API key again. Okay, and then execute. So the status says processing, which is fine. Okay, then we're gonna add the wait node, same thing that we just did before. Okay, let's keep it for like 1 second for the sake of the video, and then execute the step. Perfect, still saying the processing, no problem. And then we're gonna just add the another get shots command, which is basically the HTTP request. Import curl, paste it, import, and this time keep it on expression again, and click on this one to make it big. Output ID, we need the output ID, which is going to be the same one that was before. Where is it? Okay, in here, and then we need the shot ID, which is going to be from this node. Okay, and here now we need the export ID, which is going to be this one. Okay, and then we need to add the API key, and execute, and the status says ready, and this is the source URL. Let's go ahead and check this out.
This platform, as I said, has helped people earn over $1 billion by selling courses, communities, digital products, all under one roof. The opportunity is truly massive. The digital
Alright, so in case the video is not processed, so we're gonna do one thing again, the same thing that we just did here. We're gonna add the if node, and then same thing, status is equal to ready. Then execute the step. Since the status is ready, so it will show the true. Now, if in case the status is not ready, we will keep the false node back to the wait node, which is going to go back to the wait node and then sending a get request again, and then it will give us the true item. Now, once the video is like ready, then we are going to upload this on YouTube. So click on the plus, click on search YouTube, and then upload the video here. All right, just let's keep the title as how to earn money. Well, you can keep the title as and from the previous nodes. I think this was it. Okay, this one. You can just drag and drop this YouTube title, which is already it's a caption actually, but you can just keep this as a title if you want to. You can drag and drop it in here, and then go back to the region code, which is going to be anything as per you, and then the name of the ID, which is going to be the category of this video. Let's keep it as what is it gonna be, let's just say education, and then as it is, and then click on add option if you want to add a description in case. Well, depends on you. So that is it. But here I'm not gonna post it on the YouTube, so you just execute the step and it will be automatically updated on the YouTube. So that's it for the video, and I think this was the very easiest workflow that we just made. And in case you want to download this, want to have this template, I'm going to be leaving this template link in this document. You can download it directly from the document. Okay, so if you're looking for the cost breakdown, so this is going to be the cost breakdown here. So basically we're doing 3 steps. The first thing is we're just creating a shot, and then we're just processing and analyzing the shot. Basically the first is the processing and then creating, and then a last one is the exporting the the shots. So if we add these things up, I think it's gonna be $1.24 something. That is going to be the charge for the 2 shots. Yeah, if you feel like you have any problems, you can just comment on the video, or you can just directly contact me on Instagram. I will definitely reply to comments. You can just drop any comment in the comment section here. So I think I'll just see you in the next video.